In the time it's taken mankind to progress from smoke signals to cell phones, roofing technology has advanced from thatch and animal skins, through clay tile, asphalt shingles, all the way to stone-coated steel roofs. The early metal roofs came close to the perfect combination of weather tightness and durability. Then steel brought economy into the picture. The next step is the one that we at Metro have already taken toward the roof of the future. We've brought the steel roof into the 21st century, from this to this. By coating steel with a high viscosity acrylic resin adhesive, and then embedding finely graded oil-free natural stone granules that are themselves coated with a ceramic layer that can take almost any color.
The Metro stone-coated steel panels begin their life as these 10,000-pound coils behind me. They have a corrosion-resistant finish that's applied at the steel factory that consists of 45% zinc and 55% aluminum. From here, we're going to move them into our press department, and they'll be pressed into panels for your home. On one end of our plant, we stamp out thousands of these panels each day in shake, shingle, and Roman tile patterns. The steel is specially engineered to accept the high stresses that these distinct details create in each Metro profile.
On the other end of our plant, we unload the engineered stone granules that'll give our panels their surface character, color, and protection from the sun.
We're here in the stone mixing department where we take large bags, 3,000 pounds in weight, of our base color granules. They are craned over to our mixing machine, and in a few seconds we're going to turn this machine on and you'll see how we blend those granules to make the right color for your roof.
Our granules are made of natural granite, graded to a uniform small size and colored with a fade-proof ceramic coating. They're small enough so that when they're applied to the panel, there'll be no gaps in coverage. And we back that coating up with a 25-year appearance warranty. One reason we can give that warranty is that unlike some of our competitors, we use oil-free stone. This non-oiled stone ensures a perfect bond with the acrylic binder for a detail-rich, long-life roof. We regularly monitor our daily production to ensure color consistency throughout the run. We carefully control the viscosity of our specially formulated adhesive acrylic binder,
so that just the right amount is applied to the panel for good adhesion of the granules. At this stage, the acrylic base coat has to be wet enough so that when the stone chips are applied, they'll get embedded up to their knees in the base coat. The visible portion of the chips are exposed to provide a long life defense against ultraviolet radiation and the weather. The panel receives a clear overglaze coat and the finished stone-coated panel comes out of the curing oven, ready to guard you against the elements beautifully and in a color choice that's perfect for your home. Of course, throughout the whole process and for each color batch, we test for depth of coverage of the acrylic, for resistance to abrasion. This machine simulates an installer's boot pivoting on top of a panel, for adherence of the stone coat through all of the flexing and bending that goes on during installation, and for performance of the entire panel when exposed to 100% humidity for 24 hours. So now let me show you how this all comes together for a roof for your home. 1 week ago, the contractor came out and did a material estimate on this roof. 2 days ago, the entire asphalt shingle was torn off and taken to a landfill to dump. The solid sheathing was inspected, dry rot and termite areas were replaced, underlay was installed over the entire surface, and perimeter flashings were installed around the roof. As you can see, these guys are a little bit ahead of us. They've installed the first row, and now they're installing the rest of the panels up the roof. They're fastening the panels through the nose in an X pattern of fastening, and this is a battenless application.
Generally speaking, our roofing panels can be attached to a roof either without or with battens. These are narrow strips of wood that attach to the roof deck and elevate the roofing panel, creating an insulating airspace underneath. Metro panels are shaped in a way that creates their own insulating airspace, so battens aren't needed. Still, there are times and places when battens may be desirable. If you want to learn more about battened versus battenless roofs, we've created a page about just this subject at the Metro website. We'll give you the address at the end of the video.
One of the things that I'm most proud about at Metro is the line of smart accessories that we've developed. They consist of the Smart Jack, which is designed to go around pipes like this, and then it's capped off with this fully integrated smart sleeve. Our Smart Vent is fully integrated with the surrounding panels, and that's because of the overlap and interlock of the Smart Vent. It's self-flashing and it provides a perfect weather-tight seal to the roof. The Smart Vent functions by taking the hot air out of the attic.
Metro Smart Accessories also give your roof edge the perfect finishing touch. This is our drip edge flashing, and this is our Birdstop riser metal, designed with a 3-dimensional return detail so that it will look great from the ground.
Well, that's it for our Why Metal, Why Metro story. At least the part of it you can see. Behind the scenes, we work very hard to maintain a network of distributors and customer-oriented contractors in every part of the country to make sure that when you choose a Metro roof, you're well served every step of the way. The distributor's job is to make sure that your contractor gets whatever he needs when he needs it for the roof that you want. That includes samples to help you make decisions about your roof, and it also includes timely delivery of your roofing materials to keep your job on schedule. We offer roofing contractors an on-site certified training program that will help you narrow the field of qualified installers in your area. The roofing crews who complete the training are up on all the latest and greatest installation techniques that we at Metro continually develop and update. Contractors who qualify in this training become what we call smart contractors, and you can find them at our website. If you're thinking about a new roof, we'd love to have you in our family of happy customers. The people who say,
"We've got an Ashwood Metro 2, and I absolutely love it.
I love my roof. Love it."
Oh, we're going to put a steel roof on it, definitely. Absolutely.
Oh, we love it.
I loved it, and I still love it. I think that we would definitely do it again.
We're thinking about you when we say, smart roofs for smart people. If you have any questions, give us a call.